Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the something went wrong while generating your image. Sorry about that ChatGPT error. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes this error appears simply because of a weak or unstable connection. Next, try logging out and logging back into the ChatGPT app. This refreshes your session and can often solve the issue. If that doesn't work, you can upload the ChatGPT app on your iPhone to refresh it. To do this, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone Storage. Here, find ChatGPT in the list of apps and tap on it. And finally, tap on Offload app. This clears temporary data without deleting the app and it often fixes errors like this. After this, you can simply tap on Reinstall to reinstall the ChatGPT app. Also, make sure your ChatGPT app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for ChatGPT and tap on Update if available. After following these steps, open the ChatGPT app again and try generating your image. You should no longer see the error and everything should work smoothly. And that's all. That's how you can fix the something went wrong while generating your image. Sorry about that ChatGPT error on your phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.